guys, today's going to be microwave fudge. What you need for this video is chocolate, butter, a little bit of vanilla, and a can of condensed and sweetened milk. First, add your vanilla, not too much. Then add an entire stick of butter. Now, pour your sweetened and condensed milk. Do the entire can. Then after that, get something to empty the rest out. You want all of it in there. Now, microwave it for 1 minute. After that, mix it. Then you microwave it again and mix it again. And this time you mix it the most because this is going to be the last time. After this, and also before you do anything else, make sure it's smooth and it's not really chunky. Okay, then dump all of it into somewhere that you're able to fit in your freezer and can fit all of it. After that, just make sure you get all of it in there, or at least as much as you want. You can save the rest for later to eat or something. But this is fudge here, not chocolate soup. And after that, smoothen it up if you want. Then freeze for 1 hour. Now you can cut it up and enjoy your delicious microwave fudge. This is very simple.